If there is one South Indian dish which is definitely a must try, I would definitely recommend you trying this pineapple mensikai or pineapple curry. Now let's start making it. In a pot, add in water and cut pineapple into small pieces like this. Now season it up with some salt. Now I'm adding in a little bit of turmeric powder, and for the sweetness I'm adding in jaggery. Give it a good mix and let our pineapple boil. Now while our pineapple is boiling, let's roast some spices. In a pan I've added in coconut oil, I've added in curry leaves. Now I'm adding in urad dal. Now I'm adding in coriander seeds. Next I'll be adding in mustard seeds. Now I will be adding in some methi seeds. I'll be adding in badge chilies, cumin seeds, and then white sesame seeds, and roasted really very well. Please note, either you can put all of the spices one by one and then roast it, or you can add it all together and dry and roast it on a very low flame. Please note, roast it on a very low flame till it's nice and fragrant. Here I've added in coconut oil. If you don't like coconut oil, you can skip it and add in any oil of your choice, because in South India we tend to use a lot of coconut oil because it gives that authentic flavor. So that's the reason I've added in coconut oil. Now the masalas are beautifully roasted. Once it's cool, transfer it to a blender, add in grated coconut, add in a little bit of water and blend it into a smooth masala paste like this. Now while a masala paste is ready, here our pineapple is beautifully cooked and boiled. While it is 80 to 90% cooked, add this masala, give it a good mix. If you want, you can add in water, adjust it as per your consistency. However, this is not that watery kind of gravy, this is like semi kind of gravy. Give in a good mix so that the pineapple gets all that flavor, is infused with the lovely flavors. Now season it up with some salt, add in tamarind water, and here you can adjust your jaggery or tamarind as per your choice. Now while a pineapple is boiling with the lovely masala, let's make a lovely tadka. Here I've added in coconut oil, mustard seeds, badge chili, hing, and then I'm adding in curry leaves. And once the curry leaves starts getting crispier, add it to the pineapple curry and just give it a good mix. Let the pineapple boil really very well with the lovely spices. It's sweet, tangy, and serve it hot with the piping hot rice. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.